biem na meka say me cry me phone so near my house see am say me hu adwene sama 40 na de meka atoso biem ye water issues we hear Kwabre Easter baby a yedru no nka ye bro mechanized borehole system so is a complete community water and osenka yenya and the type of water say omanpanika say yenya say mechanized no ye say ye de nkania na ye borehole kunkro ni bi dabi and meme de ende meme ye ne say ye say de be ya obi ebetimi atwe bia ko ne fie and baby a ebekwa ko si ni bia na ye si a ye hye say ye be yusu niema wo say ye yusu tanka esi polytank this is 5,000 liters polytank and ti wo share sisi am no kasa ya eye mako 27 na ye wo Kwabre East here. Yeah, 27 of them. Wow. I have the communities, I can mention them out to the people. Nipa ni nyina ready say one person motia e bubo ni nyina din dia chom sisi am no kasa 12 there. They are all at the various stages of completion. Oba Mamponten ba be Drew Mamponten me ba assembly ho community water na e ba honom. Unim say John 1 year ni am ba ho no assembly flat ni na me dim metimu no edan kese na metimu am yemu adwuma no nso me nya bi da na we say question say ntina ka yintimi ntu borehole ho ana intimi ntu bi nti see am no ka say ya tu nsuo ni bi wo ha assembly no is going to be connected assembly ni be nya bi we call assembly staff na won nsuo ho odin ma wonom ya tu bi enso de ama assembly staff na assembly me no ka say we could do one ma ya see ya erective a post na ye de tank ni besiso no oba MC Bangalore gbodo osisi am no ka say nsuo na me use sisi am no ka say afi ukọ ya sorry baby I see KG blog we also the end so ya see pillars na ye de ayiba bisu tank ni ya drill every it's drilled yes and nsuo na no use e de ye adwuma no we do one ma de be hu ebi nie yes nya no kwa ukọ abremu a ebi wo ho ya tu bi wo ho ukọ baman ya tu bi wo ho okwa adesna ya tu bi wo ho kwa wade adwuma kasi zongo ya tu bi wo ho enti communities duma na afo ya tu bi wo ho faade ya tu bi wo ho
no faade de na okwan na wo ko ye mekasi ewura mu
ansa na obewura TM junction ho no ahemfie no le obo se chefin ho sa yes enso ebi no enti ya tutu e wo communities mu sa ya sisi am no kasa de 12 there they are developed stages of completion and afi 15 na sisi ya contractor ewo ho anso oyen kakraka nti water situation no baby a ensusu edi ababedru no na say the American say de ema ne ye strong ne say enye borehole keke say the amanfo bi eye borehole ne de pump esisu kunkro nya no bi we mechanized one tank 5,000 overhead tank latest no bi ye de besiso a eno betimi ama say opese otwensuo ni bi ko ofi a obetimi atwen edi akọ
nti I don't know what the plan no by what time na you
yes ma sisi am no ka say by 15th of next month or second contractor and hand over yes okay but second contractor and hand over 15th of next month all the projects that we have no omo wie ni omo baby adru se kakra na wie ni ade omo nyina time no ye ni nyina ye the same day enti nyame ya adoma by 15th of this next month no also hand over all the yes but the binum de omo wie omo de omo are ready for kiss omo de kiss baba ne dan say omo de omo kan wono mo say bi akuka say pressure bi ko wono so a but the aka ne de ni nyina no by 15th of next month July they should hand over the keys to us so
what it means is here say unya commission project
yes project has not been commissioned see here me no ka say and then me ka say me commission project na metima commission project and ya some sorry free studio ha na me ko do Mamponten me pese me commission project ametimi but me ade ba kon aya na me pen say me pe quality job not in haste yenye intenten we wie contractor me kan se nua de contractor frame me dada me say papa ye ma date say nti se we wie ansa na date na so a yen hwe se date ne be so na bibia ye kama nti me meba honom no sa brand me mpe defect bia
I get
papa,
it.
yes, one of them yes. And the date na we no say we me see you mate mama me monitoring team akwa. Okay. But data me dey share no papa akasa na so. They are less than 1 month.
I see.
That's right. Nti e do ho no ma ye call her day no a e da no so na da no na me commission.
Na commission.
Nti me gina senua na me commission that project na was senua na. The assumption is that all the schools are using is commission. Yes. Not to waste time.
Fantastic.
Yes, not to waste time. Go here, pekwan yako.
No cre pa. Enti yeah that's it. But Minia Jones, I say what the honorable say. Was one mentioned project we bring our district in municipality, but I say the hometown here Asonoma so.
Yeah.
Project be ho.
Yes, Asonoma so. Says ya me no ka say boreholes no contractor e kwa kutu borehole back ho. Issue we Asonoma so see no. Nanka water can ho bi because I was save water ho.
Okay.
But we still need to give them some go chrono etre. And the borehole back on e ko mechanized one bi. But issue ho see ane ye. Omo ball bi hye ho a eno so madam fu bi aka chem say ball ane bro 100 years.
And
yes, and also yes, I can the current one I package ya contractor be
contract very soon. Yes, borehole back over. Why intino enche obedrele. Now my yetwe we I say there na we about traffic congestion as in near to Mamponting.
Yes, especially
weekends, very terrible.
Yeah.
Just say Ophobia Kenya say a Jumam Korea Mamponting Junction no na ebia no, but I'll say what are the plans for that stretch. And also soon terrible.
Yes, Sir John.
Stretch no
same here pa wonim. Enti na oba Mamponting sisi abedu ha. Issue ni nyina na gina Mamponting duma na afo. E na gina faade ene adwumam junction. That is where the problem is. Na de ye tena say ehun ye ne say. Na wo hye won mom di dwa e wo kwan no ho na. Ye ni pedestrian walkway. Enti de ode ne container si kwan no ho a wo ye adwuma no. What pedestrian walkway nim. E na wasan yi ne niema e wo container nim wasan be gu e kwan na ni nton no. Enti nipa na ekwa de so faka kwan no so. Obetimi de car bo bi. Enti so slow. Enti always there are fleet of cars on the way because of the kwan am man for fast to dijaw. Enti me ba ye no, wo de o sha se free Mamponting Roma so down say ya clear kwan no ho saa de aba abedu asenua.
True.
Aka ahwa ene meduma which ebinuma ha say yi wo no mo de ye be clear ho no nyina so aka na sa problem no wo hwe enye no nkwa na ema ne ba wo san hwe adwumam junction so I say ho no tutu pa. Yes, sabla me no ka say memo da ho da manimu a ya ye ho adwuma wi a ye de copy funding na ye kakra na ye patch na ho no no ho ye highway ba me de ne say o ka say wo tena say highway maya na wo te ho assembly ni wo de na assembly ni ye. That's right. Nti yes a patch na ye no ho no yes a patch ni wi a fe the major ratification am de ba ho na say modification ye de ba ho ne say ye pese e ho no ye de ye erected traffic light. O say da bia no police for ba wapeja ne sa wo besene we bebra na ka ne beto aso ho na bunsa na block it on be bie mu a benya kwan na kono na fe pressure ba mem ne that teach you and I say yes ye erected traffic light e wo kan adwumam ene mampranse intersection no.
That is a plan.
A
drew stage ben
they say baby e wo tech ye call na omo ye Ofori there Ofori stadium na nim ho there no so ma wie and very soon it's about 900,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I like the fact that MC is more core tech.
Sure.
Tech,
yes, because that's the local
collaboration. I love that.
Sure.
Yeah, can one say more? Say the intina ye school kasiesi wa hana de bia yenko Kwabre chire na
we also dealing with them. Yeah, omaba site about engineers naba woko duma na afo so Mamponting duma na afo intersection no be hu say duma na afo intersection so e ho so omaba ba behwe yeah no so nti de ye ne se ana nye de si Ofori krom ha nye no bi de tenten e si Anraga junction ni bi no a pole tenten na ha no bi and that's right senka ka enketo ye si stadium anim ha dia anka sabre de enka is erected long ago nti no na ye intervention ye putting in place I believe say and afi ye link roads no the link roads no so they are all on contrast now nti we hear China Railway for no na ye in charge of free sistrase babisi sistrase kwan no babisi Korea ho babisi duma na kwan nti so mo yes our link roads now I believe say sa kwan kese ye nam so free yaji bakajetia no obi a woko airport obefata fo ayede yes nti oduru Mamponting a wafa duma na afo kwan so no ko ana oduru abo aso a ofa wade adwuma ka so no ko
does it mean say boss sorry adwuma ka se abo aso kwan no and also can patching no humbe
sa kwan no yes on say the yes see ama oman no ani abre wo ho no say oman no enim say o ma hand over onwie and a kwan cry say hand over if it be deferred liability period 1 year sabre ka contractor na say 1 year nkanya nre and think assembly ne be pesika agisa deferred liability money no e dia yes ha patch no so when dem chire contractor no onwie e no ye China Railway Corporation na yes ha kwan no na say kra me di gomeni ayi fahim meni om kasa ya om ba behwe e ba be ye patch kakra e wo saa stretch no etutu ekwan ne tutu ensuo san to etutu pa ba ne nyina ne se ekwan no wonom nwie aka the last coat o so no ba begu so aha nti se de esi wo se ya no eye company ne ka enya banka yes also ne baba ye
so baba me try to me Facebook messages e banyina metimi a go through na otime yi bia no Solomon na kwasi prempe na kwasi ya das na kwasi prempe da se pa no de no medical kind we Solomon Bright Boatin Junior say Honorable Mami said the reason behind the excessive and the unguarded power outages at Asinia Amalia news sites had
the problem that we have no mene enra cry engineer or could leave yeah me can using manager but he's an engineer yes yeah oba me nchen ene me abedin koto simple area no they need to inject new transformers transformer na e wo honom no Krono etre. Nti ubeko area no behu say transformer na e ho no normal voltage etimi fa no. Abro so. Nti the less pressure that comes on it na behu say atripe. Na kate.
Okay.
That's what is disturbing. And na baby bebre hon ma enam say hu bie na manfo otwe kono nti no. Low current because
new site
new site exactly okay. That is a problem
engineer
yes transformers a bit my injection no yes interval no na aboa wo na say benya the bigger ones a bit my serve the good people of the
Alhaji Zakari Seidu my doki or sister John bibo honorable abaso my name till baby
yeah
Osinya kra no mo so mu oba o mbesa
yeah ti oba bi ti